My brother, hold on. Please, I'm going to respond actually.
Okay. You just take this and then take your left.
Yeah.
Take this left, then take your left.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
God forbid, you forbid! Nothing like that will ever happen. No, not in this family. Not to anyone that I know of. Hey! Holly, what is it? Helen, what happened?
The monsters happened!
And what happened to my son?
Why? What happened? God, why?
Oh, Mika, what is it? Where's my son?
Helen, I cannot say anything to you right now. You just have to follow me. Helen, follow me.
What happened to my son?
No,
what is it?
Let us go.
Amulika, wait. What is it? How would you scare me like this? What's going on?
Helen, can you just follow me, please? Stand up.
Wait now. What is it? What's going on?
Helen, come on. What has happened? It has happened. God. Let's go.
Wait. What is it? What happened?
Helen, stop asking questions. What my eyes have seen this morning, my mouth cannot say it though. I can't say it. You just have to follow me. Let's go.
Wait, my heart is beating fast. Just tell me what has happened.
Helen, stop asking questions. Let's go, please.
But,
let's go. Helen, let's go.
What is it? Did anything happen to my son?
Emily, please, I can't say it. Let's go. My God, why? Let's go.
Correct. Yes. Stand up. Come on, stand up. Oh, yeah, move. Move. Come on, I said move. Come on, move. Come on. Come on, stand up. Stand up. Move. Move.
Junior, how are you? Are you okay? How are you? Listen, So where is your mommy?
Mommy's in the backyard.
At the backyard? Okay. Oh yeah, continue reading your book, okay? I want to see your mommy. Okay? Good. Helen. Helen, when will you stop this?
I don't know what to do anymore. I don't know what to do. How could he just leave me like this? How could he leave me?
Listen, he did not leave you. Trust me, I am here. And I will make sure you lack nothing.
No. No one can replace him. Oh, he means the world to me. He means the whole world to me. Oh.
Helen, please. Please, you must stop crying. You must stop. You cannot drown yourself in your own tears. Please.
Death. Why me? Why me? Why did death choose me? Why did he pick my household? Why did you pick me? Should I just take him in? Why me? Why me, God? This pain is too bitter for me to swallow. I can't do this anymore.
So you're still crying?
I don't know what else to
Chinedu,
do.
thank God you're here. Do you know she has not eaten for days? Please talk to her because I don't know what else to tell her.
Helen, what are you doing to yourself? Why do you keep acting like this? Do you think about your son at all? Please, you have to heal yourself and move on.
I think I don't want to heal.
Please.
I want to heal.
Yes, and I'm here to help you heal.
But this pain is deep inside.
Don't worry, you'll be fine. It's okay.
It feels like I can't breathe
Helen,
anymore.
It's okay, you'll be fine.
I just want to die.
No, you will not die. Okay, now food is ready, okay? You need to come in
No,
and eat.
I don't want to eat anything.
I need you to come in and eat.
If
Okay?
I eat, will he come back?
Yes.
You and I know that he will not come back.
It's okay. You have to eat, okay?
He
Now,
will
let's
let
go.
me
Let's go.
will come back to me.
Help me. I'm hungry. Help me. Help me. Help me. Help the poor boy. I'm hungry. Help me. Help me. Help me. Mama, help me. Mama, nothing is too small. Mama, you lost your children many years ago. But because of your good heart, the universe has brought you together with them.
What do you mean?
I don't know. That is what the universe told me to tell you, Ma. Please help me. Help the poor boy. Help the poor boy.
Oh, good morning.
Good morning.
Mama, you are late again. I have told you to quit this job. This is not the best job for you.
I understand. But you won't understand.
I'm trying to understand, but the condition of work here is not being favorable for you.
That's why I know. I'm looking for a better job. Until I find that better job, I cannot quit this one. Nkita adoro mono no. Okwa na afọ mere okwu ezu ike.
Ezo, Mama, it is better you start going to inside now before Madam will come out. Before you see the naked fire. I understand.
I know.
much. Where is this stupid woman? See, everywhere is so scattered. Grace!
Ma?
Why are you just coming to work by this time?
It was traffic, I swear. The traffic was much. I was trying to meander before I was able to come to work now.
You must be very stupid. You this old woman. How dare you lie to me?
I swear to God, I'm not lying, no. You should have seen the traffic. If you had gone there, you would have seen the traffic.
You are sacked. In fact, you are fired.
It will never happen again. I will never come to work late again in my life.
Of course, I'm very sure that it will never happen again. Because this is the last time you ever step your foot into this house. My friend, get out! You beg? Who are you begging? Do I look like your mother? Are you stupid? Huh? Do I look like your mother? You coming to work by this time of the day? Just imagine the rubbish. Eh?
Mommy, I thought that Dad said you should not sack her.
Mom, please don't sack her. I still love her.
Look, both of you should go inside. Go to your room.
Mommy, I thought that disobedience is a sin, but you still want to disobey Dad.
Yeah, I said so, but she came to work late now.
Mom, please forgive her.
I'm sorry. Look, don't try this next time. Don't try it.
How are you? You slept well?
I think I have to go now.
Thank you. You have really tried for us. Murphy will be so proud of you.
I don't want you to keep thinking about him. Okay? Or do you want to go and join him there?
Well, I just wish he never left.
I know. But dwelling on that thought will only make you sick. I remember Junior needs you 100% at this moment.
It won't be easy to forget him. It won't be easy to move on just like that. Murphy was the only son of his late parents. So no brother-in-law or sister-in-law. No father or mother-in-law to even talk to. It's not fair.
I know. But whatever you think he doesn't have, I am. I am here to protect you and Junior. The only thing I cannot cover for him is in bed. Whatever you need, whatever assistance you need financially, I am willing to do it for you. Okay? So I want you to please make it a little easier for me.
Thank you. You're a good man. And I sincerely appreciate you.
It's okay. I'll keep trying.
Dada, what is it?
I saw Daddy.
Where?
In our room. I wanted to touch him, then he disappeared.
There is nowhere you see Daddy and he disappears. Is he a ghost?
Well, I'm surprised. I need to tell Mommy about this.
You need to call Daddy on phone and tell him we miss him.
Okay, let's go. Let's go outside.
Can you help us call our father?
Yes, we're missing him.
Okay. I called him a few days ago, but his phone was switched off. I will send him a message telling him his babies missed him a whole lot. Right?
But Mama, why is it that our Mommy doesn't like you? Any little thing you do, she wants to sack you.
Oh, don't talk like that. Your mom likes me a great deal. Just that she wants to make sure I'll be able to take care of you too. It's concern.
But I don't think she loves you.
She loves me. Okay? She wants me to be taken care of as well. She wants to make sure I take care of you. But she knows I am old and needs to be taken care of as well. That is why she's worried. It's as if she hates me.
But Mama...
Don't say anything again. Your mom loves me a whole lot. And she loves you too. Right? And I want the two of you to love her as well. She's concerned about the two of you.
Hey, UJ. Longest time. Your husband is a very funny man. Why is he always like that?
Well, he claims to be stubborn, but I have shown him that I am more stubborn than he can ever imagine.
You are married to a good man. Hi! God, I wish I married this kind of husband. If you try this with my husband, he will give you the beating of your life.
Beats? Did you just say beats? Ha! He can't even try such. In fact, I will not give him the chance to try it with me. For what? How?
Ha! Wait, UJ, you mean if your husband tried this kind of thing, you will beat him?
Well, I will not touch him, but I will not let him try it with me. It's not possible now.
Though it's funny, but I think it's high time you stop. Yes, give your husband a break before you nag him into trouble one day.
Nag?
Yes.
Have you not seen some useless men, how they manipulate their wives? I will not let that happen to me at all.
It's true.
Yes, I will not let any man manipulate me. It's not possible now.
Yes, it's true, but your husband, no, your husband cannot do such a thing. Yes, he's a very calm person. He's a very soft guy. I believe if you follow him calmly and lovely, you will enjoy him more.
Lies! That's a very, very big lie. My dear, I know the kind of man I got married to. If I don't press, if I don't push for him to give me money, he won't try it. He will give me cheap money because he likes cheap things. Whenever I ask him to give me money to give to my siblings, he wouldn't want to give me money. Can you imagine? No, now. That's a big lie. I need to press that man for him to bring out money. Eh?
Ne, you know this man, you are the one that is married to him. I'm not the one. And I will not tell you how to handle your man. You understand? But you see that my husband, if you like, lie down on the floor for him to be matching you every day. He will still beat me. That man is very ungrateful.
Well, just do what works for you. As for me, I am doing what works for me and I am enjoying it very well. If you like, let him run. He will definitely come back home to meet me. Is it not me again?
You J1. I go on. You J baby. Hey. But you have to take it easy.
Take it. Take what is? What am I taking is? Eh?
I'm saying. It's your juice.
I got a report from the police.
About what?
About what happened to my friend Murphy.
I told you I am no longer interested in that investigation. It won't bring my husband back. Let posterity and karma judge whoever has a hand in his death.
I think it's important that you know this.
What is it?
There is this big company that want to build an estate and require the help of a building company to assist them. So Murphy happened to send his proposal to this company and they were completely impressed about his presentation. So the police said that one of his rivals considered him a big threat and got so jealous.
He told me. He told me about the job. As a matter of fact, he had gone to Enugu to meet some people concerning the job. He had an appointment with them. And he never came back.
I will make sure that the perpetrators of this heinous crime are brought to book.
If only I had known, I wouldn't have let him. I would have asked him to forget about the job. I would have held him back. I would have asked him to stay behind.
It's okay. I will help you heal, okay? And I'll also follow up this contract and make sure that that contract don't elude us.
No. Forget about the contract. I don't want anything to happen to you.
Don't worry, nothing is going to happen to me, okay? Even the Bible said that affliction shall not arise a second time. So I'll be fine. There is a document concerning this job that he brought home. Yes, I would like you to locate this document for me.
No. 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 Please, no. Stop. It's enough. Please, forget about this. No. Please.
Elena, I'm going to be fine. Nothing will go wrong.
Can we just forget this? No, I don't want this anymore. I'm tired of it all. Please. Please, let it go. My God. Oh, God.
Mommy, what is this?
Yes, I saw a very big rat. Like, God, the rat was so big and I got scared. That's why I had to come over to the parlor. Oh.
Mommy, just because of rats, you're shouting as if you saw a ghost.
Of course. Of course. Ghost. No, rat. Like the rat was so big. It was just about to climb the bed. So I had to run down to the parlor. Like, I got so scared.
But where is the rat? Let me go and kill it.
Oh, please, don't worry. Tomorrow I'll get rat poison. Where's your brother?
He's still sleeping.
Alright, go to your bed. Go to your room now. Go and
Okay.
sleep. Yeah, go to the bed. Please.
Mom, good night.
Okay, good night, darling. It's fine. Oh my God, my heart. What's going on?
Why is he not picking his calls? Eh?
His number's not even connected. I don't know why he keeps on behaving this way. And he's putting this company into jeopardy.
I told you earlier, he has a nagging wife.
Stacy, in as much as I'm not in support of what he's doing, I completely detest your gossips.
You know this one is not gossip. I'm not assuming. Countless times I've heard him make calls telling people that he's not at peace in his house. His wife is not giving him peace. I know what I'm talking about.
You see, the funny thing is he has some consignments to approve. And we're just here wasting time unnecessarily. It's just driving me mad. It's driving me insane.
So what do we do now? Can we just go on? You can explain to him later. Before our clients will think we are not serious.
And who's going to approve it?
I don't know. I'm just confused. This is serious. I'm just confused. I don't know.
So, boss, I respect you.
Everywhere good. It has to be.
Oh. Wasu. Yes, really. Now stand up! Hey, move! Come on, move!
I promise just make sure what you want to do. Please don't do it. I promise my father will give you money.
Your papa get money. Now for important. Boss, not be serious. Yes! Yes!
Okay, John.
Come on, stand up with your papa here. Come on. Move! Move!
Have you been able to speak with our father?
Yes, I spoke with him. He said he's busy at work.
Did you tell him that we miss him?
I told him and he said very soon he will come back to see two of you.
When is he coming back?
He said very soon.
Very soon. That's what he keeps telling us. Yet he will not come back.
You know, he didn't give any particular date of his coming. Because he said he wants this one to be a surprise. Trust me, he will come.
Okay, when next you call him, tell him we miss him so much.
I told him, and I'll still tell him again. But he said he misses the two of you so much. Your daddy missed you a lot. He said, I miss my Ada. I was trying to make a call. Let me finish the call. I'll meet you inside.
Someone so important in this whole wide world as the one that has taken from me. Hey, someone who's my backbone and my everything. As the one that has taken away. That's why I'm crying. How can I move on? I'm falling anywhere more. Yeah, that's why I'm crying. How can I move on? I call on you 'cause it anymore.
My love. How are you? My Superman. Where are you? My hero. How do you expect me to go through this life without you? It's been another day without you. How do you want me to know that I will never set my eyes on you ever again? You should have resisted this death. You should have resisted death. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I shouldn't have let you go that day. Now the most valuable human being that I know has been uprooted and taken from me, leaving me with a deep hole that can never be filled. It's my fault. Yes, it's my fault. It's my fault. It's my fault, my love, my fault, oh my. I shouldn't have let you go. I shouldn't have let you go. No, I shouldn't have let you go.
My love, you know, forget that contract. I'm gonna buy you a new phone.
Wait, you're gonna buy me a new phone?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, yes, a new phone, yes. Okay, what else are you going to buy for me?
What else do you want?
Okay, I want some wrappers. Yes.
I'm talking millions here. Millions.
Seriously?
Mm-hmm.
Millions. But you've never handled such huge project before. How are you going to carry out the job?
I had to read a little about the real estate. Yeah. You know, he's been into this for a while, investing in micro businesses and supporting their way through.
So basically he's empowering startup businesses.
More like it.
That's a risk.
Business is risk, my love.
Well, all I know is if anyone will get that contract, trust me, it's you.
Amen. Amen, Pastor Mrs.
But guess what?
Hmm?
You must get my phone.
Must.
Wrappers.
Noted.
Let's go back for Junior. And there's shoes. Oh my God, they're so cute. The rays of your love beam so bright. You brought light into my world. Why is it that the world hates to see life glow in beauty and in elegance? Anytime life feels so sweet, then the news of an unbearable loss comes. Just take a look at it. Because of this, just this, something I could just tear right now and just end it all. I shouldn't have let you go that day. I should have stopped you. It was all my fault. Yes. I should have stopped him. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Basha.
My love, as you go, I pray you come back with good news.
Definitely. I mean, I'm just going to sign the deal and I pray they give us the funds, as soon as possible.
Don't worry, everything will go well. Okay? It's just that I'll miss you.
I'm just going for 3 days.
Well, come on. A day without you by my side feels like 1,000 years.
Let me tell you something. No matter how far I go, I want you to know one thing. I would always be here with you and you will be with me. Okay? I love you.
Love you more.
I gotta go. I'll miss you. I'll really go so I can catch up, right?
Okay.
Love you.
Love you more. Bye.
Bye.
Why did I let you leave that day? You promised me you would come back in 3 days. Just 3 days. Tell me, how do I live without you? My love, it's been over 3 days. Please come back to me. Please. I can't do this anymore. I can't even hold her. Please, come back. Just come back.
Helen, you still here crying.
Let me cry. Let me cry my love back to me.
It's okay. It's okay. Helen, you really need to stop crying. For your own good health, please. Listen, I know it's very painful, but no amount of tears will bring him back. Please, my dear, just hold yourself. Please, okay. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. You need to stop crying, please. No amount of tears will bring him back. You're hurting yourself, Helen. Now you're gonna make me cry, please. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay, wipe your tears, okay? It's okay.
Who's there? Who's there? Ada? Kene? Huh? Who's there?
I saw him in my dream again.
Me too, I saw him in my dream. He was crying.
Crying? We've never seen Daddy cry before.
That is what I'm not happy about.
We need to tell Mommy about this.
Daddy doesn't speak Mommy's call.
And Mama Grace is not yet here. I don't even know what to do.
Madam. Sorry.
What is it?
I just came in here and discovered that you're lying down here sleeping.
Yeah. I'm not feeling too well.
Oh.
Yeah.
I can see it written on your face. Why don't you seek medical attention? Because you are not looking well at all.
That's not necessary. I'll be fine.
Okay, let me check the children.
Madam Grace, please, when last did you talk to my husband?
It's a long time ago. Like 2 months. A month, 2 months now.
Why? Like, I thought you usually talk to him, so...
I used to do, but his number is not available. I've been trying to call him for the past 1 month. His number is not connecting.
Did he tell you where he is?
No, he didn't. Listen, I'm begging you. When Nessie comes home, try and make peace with him. I am having this strange feeling and it's not good. Please, madam. Please.
Oh, all right, it's fine. Just go and attend to the kids, please.
Okay, ma. What are you people doing here now?
Good morning, ma.
Good morning. Good morning. How are you, my lovely angels?
I'm not fine.
You're not fine. What happened?
I keep seeing our daddy in my dream.
My love, what did he tell you?
He was crying.
I saw him too. He was not happy.
That's not true. I know your father. He is always a happy man. Each time I call him on the phone, he sounds happy and cheerful. So it couldn't have been him.
But why was he not happy in our dream?
Don't say things like that. People's faces are sometimes different from what we see in our dreams. When next you see your father in your dream, pray for him so that God will protect him for you. Right?
Yes, but I thought.
Don't thought now. It's not that time for thoughting. Come and get ready. Let's go to school, yeah?
Yes.
Well, let's go. Come.
So you mean he has not been coming to the office?
Oh yes, you see, it's been 2 months now. Been trying to reach him. His number doesn't connect. Yeah. You see, the most weird part of the whole thing is his car. His car has been parked at the company premises for a while now. Since the day he left.
Oh my goodness. What about his car keys?
I really can't give you any information about that because, I can't say.
Has he been this isolated before?
No. Not really. You see, he has documents he has to approve before we proceed to the customers. But he hasn't been picking his calls, so that really kept us handicapped.
Wow, this is serious.
You see, madam, I would advise you call your husband. I believe you have his contact. You called him because we are listening clients, and you know what that means to the company.
He has not even paid us for 2 months now.
Okay, it's fine, it's fine. You guys can leave. I'll get back to you.
Okay, ma. Thank you, ma.
Baby! Helen! Come on, darling, where are you?
Chinedu,
Hey.
what is it? Why are you excited?
Sit down. I got good news for you. Sit down. I got the job.
You got the job?
Yes.
You got the job?
Yes, I did.
You got the job.
Oh, come on.
You got the job. You
Come
got
on,
the
don't
job.
start, please. Come on.
I'm happy for you.
I know. Don't start, please. Today is supposed to be our day of joy. Let us be happy for once today. Okay? It's okay. It's okay. It's alright.
Honey? My love. Hey. Honey?
My love. Your horse smells. Tell me, how did it go?
Ah,
How
look,
did it go?
among all the resume that was forwarded, they picked 3 and I happen to be among.
Yes, I told you you're gonna get it.
Yes, so they said they're going to give us a call back
Okay.
to come and seal the deal. Like, I mean, I'm the happiest man in the world. Our lives are about to change.
You know what? I made something really good because I knew that you're gonna get this
Really?
job. Yes.
Let's do
Let
it.
me give you all the respect.
Oh my God.
It's okay, my darling. It's okay.
Someone so important in this whole wide world as the one that has taken from me. Hey, someone who's my backbone and my everything. As the one that has taken away. That's why I'm crying. How can I move on? I'm falling in more.
Thank God. Thank God he's back. Thank God he's back. Thank God he's back. Thank God. Dankwa. Dankwa.
Madam!
Who called my name?
Madam, did you hear anyone called you?
Please don't ask me questions.
Madam, I'm asking you a question because in my village, when you hear such voice calling you, it means either you are going to lose something or you have already lost someone without knowing it.
Shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth. I am not from your village.
Even though you are not from my village, start now calling your relatives. Check on them.
Can you imagine? I said get out from here. Go to your duty post.
Yes.
You start calling my relative. Imagine.
Oh na na na, yeah. Hey, so much confusion. It's like I don't know what is going on. Can somebody tell me? Cause I don't understand. Oh, I am so confused. I don't know what to do. Someone wake me, wake me, wake me. Maybe I am dreaming. Hey, or maybe shake me, shake me, shake me. Maybe I will just wake up to reality.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Have you heard from him?
No. I just pray nothing happens to him because if anything happens, I'll never forgive myself.
Madam, it's not yet time to talk like that. What you need now is prayer, a lot of it. Pray more for him. Don't complain.
Alright, it's fine. Has he ever told you where he is at any time?
No, ma. He has always told me he is not far away. That's the much he has said to me.
Okay, no problem. Just keep calling him, send him text messages, even if he refuses to come back. But just make sure he tells you where he is. Please.
Okay, ma. Thank you, ma.
Alright. Just confused.
Hey, so much confusion. It's like I don't know what is going on. Can somebody tell me? Cause I don't understand. Oh.
No. I don't feel like going out.
Oh, come on. You're looking so sweet to stay at home.
Okay. Where are we going to?
Don't worry about that. Just follow me. Okay? Where is Junior?
Oh, he went to Anwuli's house.
That's okay. So, shall we?
Of course.
Bella, I don't know. I'm beginning to feel some kind of way about my husband. He no longer talks to anybody, including his office. I don't know what to do.
His office?
Yes! His office, he has cut everyone off. I don't know what to do.
I said it. Marrying a calm man can be a very big problem. His ways can be like that of the wind. Nobody knows its direction.
I wonder why he's doing that.
You're not even helping matters.
How?
You knock the hell out of this man. You're even going overboard. I hope he's fine wherever he is.
That's the problem. I just hope he's fine. Like, I don't even understand. Look, Bella, I'm beginning to, have some sort of negative feeling, like negative energy about this whole thing. Seriously, I am confused as hell. You really need to help me, please.
So, what have you done about it?
Nothing. I haven't done anything and I'm confused.
You are not serious. You have not done anything. Eh? You are looking for your husband. They are just saying you have not done anything. You are confused. Ha! You are not even serious. You are looking for your husband and you are behaving this way. Why do you take everything lightly?
I am not taking anything lightly. I'm not. I'm just confused. What do you want me to do now? Ha!
Just sit down and laugh. I pray you don't learn the hard way this time.
Bella. I called you here to tell me what to do and not to judge me. Why are you sounding this way now?
I am not judging you and you know that. I am not. I've told you so many things and you refuse to do them.
Okay, it's fine. I'm sorry. I'm really, really sorry. It's just that I'm confused and I need to talk to someone. I need you to talk to me.
It's okay, it's fine. First, you need to pray about this whole situation. Secondly, we'll go to the police station and report this case to them.
Report?
Yes.
Does that mean my husband is missing or something, like he's lost?
I'm not saying that your husband is missing. No. Your husband could still be in this town. It's just for the police to help us and find him. That's all.
Okay, it's fine. I just hope they find him for me. Seriously.
You know, if only you will learn.
Ha!
You're pushing, I'm pushing, pressing him. Yeah, you don't press him now. My dear, go and give me food if you have any.
Helen. Helen. Why are you still lonely when I'm here with you? You seem to have forgotten yesterday.
Well, I can't seem to forget my loss.
So, do you want to get lost to make up for your loss?
Honestly, I'm trying. I just can't move on.
Listen, if you want to move on, you have to look beyond your loss. Alright? Why do you still look at me as a stranger? You just totally sweep our past into the dustbin.
So you still remember that?
I had to take it off my mind. But is it not right I bring it back on? I know. Baby, I will just stay there for only 2 years.
2 years?
Yes.
Ha! No now. How do you expect me to cope in this village without you?
Baby, you will cope, okay? Before you know it, 2 years will be here, I will come back.
No. You know I cannot even stay 2 days without you. Now you want me to stay 2 years without you. Stop now. Please. Listen, let's do it like this. Cancel the journey. Cancel it. Or take me alongside with.
How? But you know you cannot go with me.
Why?
I'm going there to learn work now.
So you expect me to actually stay in this village without you? Ha! I will not stay.
Calm down, okay? You will stay.
No, I don't want to stay. I don't want to stay without you. No.
I don't think it's easy for me to. You guys live a beautiful life. Before you know it, 2 years.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Don't go and meet another girl there, because I will kill her.
But you know I love you so much.
And I love you more.
So I'm not meeting anyone, okay?
And you left me for 4 years.
I didn't want to come back empty-handed. So I had to stay back and work.
And you expected me to wait for you for that long, right? Why are we even discussing this? I've long moved on from the past.
Listen, Helen, I am so sorry for taking you back. But please, give me the opportunity to amend my wrongs.
Don't go there, please.
Helen, you cannot stay like this forever. You need a man by your side.
Can't you see I'm mourning? I am still mourning.
Okay, I'm sorry if I'm moving too fast. I'm so sorry. But I still want you to understand that I love you. I love you so much. And we can still be happy together again.
Oh, na na na, yeah. Hey, so much confusion. It's like I don't know what is going on. Can somebody tell me?
Hey, Lord, please save him for me. Please bring him back. My enemies will laugh at me. His family will deal with me. Oh God. Please save my husband. Honey, where are you? I will never bother you again this time. I never knew it would get to this. Oh my God.
It's like I don't know what is going on. Can somebody tell me? Cause I don't understand. Oh, I am so confused. I don't know what to do. Someone wake me. Maybe I am dreaming. Hey, or maybe shake me. Maybe I will just wake up to reality. Shake me.
Thank you so much for today. I really appreciate it.
Oh, that's okay. You see, I've been thinking of something.
What?
I think I am going to move you and Junior out of that village.
To where exactly?
Oh, come on, Helen, stop. Stop being rigid to me.
can never change, Chinedu.
I'm sure you know what I mean.
I know, but I need some time to think about it.
What can I say? That's okay. That's okay.
But sincerely, thank you though.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. Glad.
I hope Junior has taken his dinner.
Of course. And I fed him very well.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Yes. I want to ask, how was your outing with Chinedu?
So, he was asking for my love.
Really? That is beautiful. So, what did you say?
I told him I would think about it.
Why? What is there to think about? Will you not be jealous if you see him with another woman?
Why would I be jealous if I see him with another woman?
Why
Come
not?
on, he has his life to live.
Oh,
yes.
Really? Really? Helen, look at me in the eyes and tell me you do not love Chinedu. Tell me.
Calm down. What is it? You know I cannot just jump on him like that now. What's that?
I know you love him. Listen, the fact that you lost your husband is not the end of the world for you. I need you to find love again. So give this love a chance so both of you will just move on and be happy.
I hope Junior didn't give you too much trouble today.
No, not at all. My concern is for you to find love and be happy. As for Junior, leave him for me. I will take care of him. Okay? Now let me take him inside so he will go and sleep.
Don't worry, leave him. I've not held him.
Oh, okay. It's okay.
Madam, good morning, ma'am.
Dankwa, what is it?
Madam, I have come to tell you that I have resigned. Yes.
I don't understand. You've come to tell me that you have resigned.
Yes.
Like, what's that supposed to mean? Is it that we're not paying you well or you've gotten another offer?
Madam, none of the above. If I leave this job now, I know I will suffer. But it is better I die of suffering than nobody know what killed Dankwa.
Dankwa, you know you have to stop taking that brukutu of a thing, because whenever you take it, you don't have sense. Like, your reasoning will be so low. What is it?
Madam, now you come. Brukutu make me confident, even to open my eyes to see the ghost.
Ghosts? Like, what's that supposed to mean? Ghosts? Where did you see ghosts? What are you talking about?
Madam, every night when you are on the bed sleeping and snoring, I wake up and running around over the house because of the ghost.
Shut your mouth! Look, don't allow my children to hear that there is a ghost in this house. There can't be any ghost in my house. Do you understand me?
Madam, I know you won't believe it. Because there is no evidence. Madam, I want to resign.
What?
Yeah.
Look, Dankwa, I have been going through a lot of recent. So please, I don't want you to add more problems to my problem. Can you just go to your duty post? We'll talk about this later, please. Yes.
Madam, if I see these schools again, hey! Dankwa, before you wake up in the next day, Dankwa himself don't dey near a papa house to a village. Dankwa, he said like I go to my duty post. So well done.
What? Wait, Ghost, like I don't understand. I hope nothing has happened to my husband. God, ouch. I hope nothing has happened to my husband. What have I done? Nothing has happened. God.
What is it? Has he offended you again? Tell me. I think this time around, he needs another beating.
Samson, my husband is missing. Please, I need your help. For some months, no one seemed to know his whereabouts. I don't know, I'm confused. I'm losing it right now.
This man won't cease to amaze me. Such a baby man.
Please. Enough of this insult, please. There is a problem looming right now, please. Enough of this.
Come on, Uju. He will definitely come back. He has always been like this. Any little thing will run away from the house. Running away from his responsibility.
Well, I already reported to the police and other authorities that my husband is missing.
Why would you do anything like that? You know he will definitely come back. This has always been his way.
Because a lot of things are happening, a lot of scary things are happening. How do you expect me to sit and relax? No! I don't even know if my husband is still alive or something.
God forbid. Nothing will happen to my in-law. He's still alive and he will definitely come back. Stop being scared. Come on, you need to calm down. He will come back. Okay. Just calm. Yeah. You calm now?
Calm.
That spirit. Just calm.
I want you to get 10% of the total proceeds of that job.
Why? I mean, I haven't done anything to merit it.
For the fact that you protected this document and provided it when needed. I think it's right you get the 10% of the total proceeds. It would be so wicked of me if I avoid your contribution.
Chinedu, thank you so much. Thank you.
It's okay. So this is the file. Okay. Go through the documents, then sign. I'll come and pick it up tomorrow.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
It's okay. So, what do you think about what we discussed the last time?
What plans do you have for me?
Listen, Helen. I love you to the moon and back. And I still want you in my life.
Don't you think we'll make the news for the wrong reasons if we indeed decide to get married?
You see, Helen, in life, you can't avoid being in the evening news. So, whether you choose to be with me or you're seen with another man, that will be a bolder headline. If you decided to remain single just to avoid being in the news, that is even the worst. I know you won't be happy, but people will still find negative things to say about you.
Everyone has left the company. Yes. We couldn't perform any transactions without him. And all our clients have all deserted us. Salaries have not been paid. And the worst of all is all the workers have left.
Oh my goodness. Oh God. What is this? God, please. What's going on? Where could he be? Oh my God.
As Mr. Benson's closest manager, I thought it wise to bring these important files to you before I take my leave.
James, please. I need your help. Please, do you have any information about my husband's whereabouts? Please, I'm getting frustrated and confused.
You see, Mr. Benson, my boss, is a very secretive person. He hardly tells anyone his movements. No one knows his movements.
Okay, just anyone he visits, just give me a clue, please. Please help me. Help me, I'm losing it.
If I can recall well, I used to know a guy that he hangs out with often.
Okay.
The only thing is, I haven't seen him with him for quite some time now.
Okay, do you know his name? Please, just tell me, please.
His name is Mr. Chike.
Okay, Mr. Chike.
Yeah.
Alright. Thank you. Thank you very much.
I think it belongs to you now. Keep it safe.
Alright, no problem.
My dearest friend, what do you advise? Do you think I should marry him?
Helen, this your question is not necessary. This man should be the only option in your life. Besides, both of you had a thing in the past, and I am sure you are still in love with him, don't you?
Well, the thing is, I'm just, people will say that
Come on, Helen. You still care about what people will say. For what? In as much as you're not stepping on anyone's toes, girl, do what makes you happy. That's it. The people you care about what they will say don't even care about you. So, do what makes you happy. So, now, what do you intend to do? You say yes to him, right? I know.
You mean there's no news regarding his whereabouts?
No news, not even from the police.
What are we going to do now?
I don't know. I really don't know. I'm just looking up to God.
You are looking up to God?
Yes.
Hey. Have you told Chike what is going on?
No, I haven't. He never wants to set his eyes on me. No.
Ne, you have to tell him. He's your only brother-in-law that you have right now. He needs to know.
I'm confused at this point. I'm so confused. I had a very awful encounter with him, so I don't know what to do.
Hey, at this point, you need to retrace your steps. Eh? Ha! No stone should be left unturned. Eh? Ha! We are talking about your husband here.
I know.
Huh?
I'm just looking up to God to help me at this.
This is not about looking up to God. God will not come down and help you. You have to do something. As you're looking up to God, as you're praying, you also search for your husband.
I'm just confused.
It's okay, it's okay. Sorry, stop crying. Let's go inside. So that you relax. Have you eaten anything?
Why are you sitting here like refugees? What is the matter?
We want to see our father.
Is that why your faces are like that? But I told you your father will soon be back.
But you always say that, but we keep seeing him in our dream.
I think our father is dead.
Shut up. You are dead. Things like that shouldn't come out from your mouth. Your father is not dead. Nothing bad will happen to your father. Don't say things like that.
But I had a dream that...
That what? Don't have such dreams. Be positive. Eh? Your father is alive. That man you keep seeing in your dream is not your father. It's okay. Come, let's go inside. Stop sitting like this. Are you refugees in your father's house? Get up, let's go inside. Hi.
Oh na na na, hey, so much confusion. It's like I don't know what is going on. Can somebody tell me? Cause I don't understand. Oh, I am so confused. I don't know what to do. Someone wake me, maybe I am dreaming. Hey, or maybe shake me, maybe I will just wake up to reality. Shake me, am I dreaming? Oh, I beg you, wake me to reality.
What do you want?
Good day.
What do you want?
Your brother is missing.
Which of my brothers?
My husband is missing.
I can't remember you getting married to any of my relatives. So I don't know what you're talking about.
Chike, please, I'm sorry about what I've done to you in the past. I regret every of my action. Please forgive me. I'm sorry, please. I don't know what to do right now. Like, I'm confused. Please.
I should forgive you.
Yes, please.
Oh, now I'm not important to you, right? I'm now a human being. You that called me an animal. You sent me away from your house. And now you recognize me. My friend, get out from this place. I don't care.
Chike, please, don't do this to me, please.
Before you came here, you can see I'm very busy. Just get out from this place. I don't want to set my eyes on you. Just get out! How are you? Anyway, is my brother inside?
He's not around.
But I just called him and he told me he's at home.
You just called him and he told you he's at home. Does that make me a liar? Don't you understand English? I just told you that my husband is not around. So what are you trying to say? You're calling me a liar, eh?
Come on, it hasn't got into this. I only asked you if he's at home. I need to see him. I have a pressing need now.
And I said he is not around. Is your brain pot? you want to put words in my mouth? I said it's not around. What is it? What is relation? Nonsense. Why are you stressing me?
Sorry.
What nonsense is that? Sorry for yourself, idiot. My friend locked my gate. Where is Dankwa? My friend, push him out. I don't want to see this idiot around here again. Don't come and spoil my mood, idiot, rubbish.
My dear, he hasn't been picking up my calls. I have been calling. This man stopped picking up my calls all of a sudden. Eh?
But hope he still sends money down for the family upkeep.
Of course he does. He doesn't miss out. He keeps sending money. But the fact that he's no longer coming home again, like, I don't understand.
Well, there's no issue there, as long as he still sends money down for the family upkeep.
Please, I need him, oh. I need him badly. Because, you know, I'm human now. Eh? I need him around, I beg.
That's your own. My own is money. Oh. Problem is money.
Which one is your problem?
Well done. So your families are allowed to come here freely, but your husband's families are not allowed. Is that not witchcraft?
I mean, don't put spit inside my mouth, Joe.
How dare you call my sister a witch in my own presence? Are you mad? You're the one that is mad. You're the one that is mad for calling me madman in my own brother's house.
Samson, I am here. I am allowing this idiot, this fool to banter words with you.
Nobody will say it in my brother's house. Never! We should never!
Leave him alive! Carry him out!
If you're not tight, my brother's house! My brother! Come on, who are you?
Can you imagine the nonsense? In your own brother's house! In your own brother's house! Which brother's house? Did your mother build any house? Idiot! Don't come to my house and come and challenge me. You're not even afraid. You're not scared. My friend, take him out of that gate now. Idiot! Give him the beating of his life. Can you imagine? All these village people, they'll come and look for you in city. Nonsense. Rubbish.
See, I don't want to see you in my sister's house again. I don't want to ever see you there again. What's wrong with you? Let me see you here again and see what I will do to you. I don't blame you. I don't blame you. Is that my female brother I will blame? You know what, Papa? Just get out. You see? You took me like as if I was nothing. You sent me away from your house. You treat me like a rank. I can't even come to the house. Now you came to my workshop and be telling me this trash. I don't want to ever set my eyes on you again. Just get out from this place.
Please. Okay. Wait. Please, can you just do it for your brother's kids? Please, just do it for them. For the sake of them, they've been crying. They want to see their father. I'm so frustrated right now. I don't know what to do. Please.
I don't know who you're talking about.
Please.
I don't even know you. Just get out from this place.
Chicken, please, just help me. So we'll look for him together. Chicken, please now.
Get out from here.
Begging you.
Get out from here! People are using some stone.
Oh na na na, hey, so much confusion. It's like I don't know what is going on. Can somebody tell me? 'Cause I don't understand, oh. I am so confused. I don't know what to do. Someone wake me. Maybe I am dreaming. But maybe shake me, maybe I will just wake up to reality. Shake me, am I dreaming? Oh, Maggie, wake me to reality. I can't believe myself, this is happening to me. It is like a movie, but I am the one that is acting it. It's like my memories are playing a prank with me, and I don't understand though. I wanna see my family and let them know I am not dead, I am alive. Oh.
Madam, you are welcome. Good afternoon.
What took you so long to open the gates?
Madam, I was sleeping when you are on it.
Can somebody tell me? Cause I don't understand though. I am so confused, I don't know what to do. Someone wake me, maybe I am dreaming. But maybe shake me, maybe I will just wake up to reality. Shake me, am I dreaming? Oh, I beg you, wake me to reality. Madam, what is the problem? You won't let the kids see you doing this. Please, it's okay, Usuko. Ndo.
Confused. I don't know what to do at this point. I don't know what else to do. I'm confused.
You know, the children, they have been crying. They have been suspecting that something has happened to their father. If they see you cry like this, it will have confirmed their fears. And you know what it will do to them? It will completely break them. So stop. Please.
God, I have done everything humanly possible, but to no avail. I'm gonna be doomed if I never get to see my husband again. I'm gonna be doomed.
The best thing for you to do now is to commit everything into the hands of God. He'll perfect everything that concerns you. He knows everything.
God. So, I'll live in guilt all the days of my life if I never get to see my husband again.
Just free yourself.
Why would I do this? Why should I have done this? Oh my God. I never need to get to this point.
It happens in life. It happens. Nobody knows tomorrow.
God, please. Please, I want to see my husband. God, please help me. Help me, God.
You know, we all make mistakes. But you have to forgive yourself now so that you can make progress in your life. So that you prepare yourself once he comes back. The life becomes better. Your both life becomes better. Forgive yourself first. Alright?
Alright.
Yeah, come in.
Right here. Mama is here.
Mama,
Yes.
where's she?
She's in the parlor downstairs.
Why didn't you tell me she was coming so I can tell my husband? Don't you know we have rules in this house?
Hey, she came to my house, so I had to bring her here.
Of course you should tell me. At least you should pre-inform me.
Don't worry. Hey, don't worry. She's not spending the night here. Besides, you don't expect Mama to write you a letter before coming to your house.
You're right, though. Okay, let's go downstairs and meet her. Let's go see her, please. She's not going to spend the night here. I don't want trouble. Which one's your home? Oh, let's go. So that was how I was talked into becoming a nagging wife. What? Yes. And now, no one is here to bear this burden with me. It's okay. Like I told you earlier, have to forgive yourself. Alright? Turn a new leaf. Whenever you see your husband, apologize to him. Alright? Show him love more than he would have ever expected from you. Pamper him. Alright? But first of all, forgive yourself. Tell yourself, today I'm a better woman. Okay? I pray he comes back to me. Of course he will. Be positive. God will bring him back. Alright? I pray so. Amen. You know, madam, one more thing. You know, in the midst of life, there is death. There is no more food stuff in the house. And we have to eat. Especially the children. Whether they are crying or not, food is important. Well, that's my fear. I don't know what to do. No. Hey, God will provide. Don't cry. Amen. Okay. Amen.
Sorry, I want to ask. Why do you always drive us all the way from the village to this place?
You see, I want to further prove how much I love you. I can't just give up on you.
Well, you already know how I feel about you. The thing is that it's...
Hey. It's okay. Say no more, okay? Come on, this is the sign of my love for you. Please, marry me. I've lost you before and I don't want to lose you again now that I have the opportunity to be with you.
Well,
Please, marry me and I'll make sure I'll become the best thing that ever happened to you in your life.
This is, taking it too far.
No.
We can just be friends. Well, let's remain friends.
No, please, Helen. Be my wife. I want to make you happy.
No.
Please.
No.
Helen, please.
No, please. Please. Please, sorry.
Helen, don't do this.
Mama, what is going on? Mother has suddenly become so humble. I can't believe what my eyes see.
This is your cut and join English. why don't you stay back in your duty post? Eh? Please, Dankwa, I don't have time for gossip. You can see I'm very busy. I'm trying to clean up. I'm trying to do my job.
Which duty post are you talking about? The one I'm trying to run away from. Very soon.
What?
Eh.
Why?
I'm still scaring things in this house. Every night, I'm seeing ghosts running around, front and back. So, I don't sleep every night.
Dankwa, can you be reasonable for once?
I'm telling you what is going on in this house.
What is going on in this house? Please go back to your duty post. What kind of a human being is this? Dankwa.
Something I haven't seen or heard from him. I don't know what's going on.
I have told you he will be back in no time.
Something. There's a problem.
What is it?
I need some money from you. Like, I don't know if you can help me because as it stands now, we're running out of foodstuffs in the house. So if you can lend me money, I'll pay you back later, don't worry. Just lend me the money, please.
Is this a kind of joke or something? You're asking me to lend you some money? I think you must be joking.
I don't get it. Like, I'm not joking. I'm dead serious. If we run out of food in this house, there's going to be a very big problem.
Don't tell me you didn't save for the rainy days.
Which one is? The money I got, I used it to build our house in the village. So why you talking like this? I actually asked him for money the last time and then he ran away. He never came back again. So what is it?
Uju, you know that I have been begging you for money and you keep promising me that you are going to give me some money. But till today, you never gave us.
And are you trying to say that I have never given you money before?
But that was a long time ago. I don't expect me to still have it till now.
Oh, really? God. But the house I built in the village was for you as the first son of the family. So why are you trying to be ungrateful here?
Yeah, I know you built a house in the village for me. And I am grateful. But I need money for my business. I don't have money to give you, please. You better go and look for where to get money and stop asking me for money. What is it yet? I was thinking you called me here to give me some money and you're telling me this rubbish. What's all this now? I don't like this thing you're doing.
Helen, why did you reject his proposal? I mean, what came over you?
I can be friends with him, but marriage should be out of it.
Why not?
Harmony, do you want people to say I killed my husband in order to marry his best friend?
Nobody will say that. Your mind is just playing a fast one on you.
You don't understand.
Yeah, of course, I do not understand. I mean, what is there to understand? All I know is that you love this guy. Please, give this love a chance.
The thing is...
What?
I'm confused. See,
what?
I don't know if it's the right thing to do. I just...
See, Helen, this guy genuinely loves you. And if you let this genuine love slip off your finger, girl, you might live to regret it. Do not say I didn't warn you. But it's fine. I will not try to convince you again. Just do what you want. That's it. This guy, you amaze me. Genuine love. Somebody that really loves you. You're playing with such love. Anyway, what everybody is looking for is what you're playing with. But it's okay. Just do what you want. I won't tell you anything again. Just do your mind.
Grandma, we want to see our daddy. It's been a long time now, we've not heard from him.
Hey, do not worry yourself. Okay? Your daddy will soon be back. You know?
That's what everybody keeps telling us. Yet we'll not see him.
If everybody's telling you like that, have I told you like that? You don't believe me. I'm your grandmother, okay? I will not lie to you. Very, very soon, you will see your daddy. He will be back. And no one. So, where is your brother?
He's upstairs.
Go and call him for me. God, where is my son? Where is my son? The children are worried. I am worried. Everybody is worried. Hey, Benson, please come back to us. Come back to us. We really miss you. And we are still missing you. Oh, Chineke. Chineke, biko. Walatara mwam. Biko, osekpolowa. O mama amasi amasi. Biko, walatara Benson na mwam. Biko, Chineke.
Oh na na na, hey, so much confusion. It's like I don't know what is going on. Can somebody tell me?
Welcome, Mama. Welcome.
You know, Stammer. Goody. Welcome. Ujunwa, where is my son?
Mama, I don't know where your son is.
Huh? Can you listen to yourself, Ujunwa? I said, where is my son and where did you send my son to?
Mama, I said, I don't know where your son is. He left and never came back. His contact is not even connecting. So what is it?
So I'm the one you are opening eye for, Uju? Eh? After you have turned my son upside down, makes him not to know his own family, including I, the mother. Uju? Now tell me for the last time, where did you send my son to?
And I said I don't know where your son is.
Recently, my son keeps appearing to me as a ghost. Uju, if you have killed my son, please let me know.
Frankly speaking, I don't know where your son is.
Yes. You don't know the kind of problem you are going to face. You don't know the kind of market I hear in Ageso. Yes.
Welcome, Uncle.
Thank you. How are you?
Fine.
Where's your mommy?
It's in the backyard.
Okay. I got you some more cheese ball, okay? Chocolate. So when you're done with this one, you continue from the bag, okay?
Hi.
Oh. How are you?
Fine, but fine. Sorry for what happened the other day.
I was not angry. Though I felt bad, but I'm fine now. I just thought I should come and check on you and Junior.
Well, fine. Junior? Okay. Go inside. Make sure you take water, okay? Go and take water. Go and drink water. Uncle bought this for you.
Yes.
More cheese balls. Let me take. Come.
Don't worry, I'll just put them. They said I'm coming, okay? Make sure you drink water, I'll be right there.
Yes, sir. Mommy will do it too shortly. Yes, sir.
Good boy. Yeah, so. Wow, the thing is, everyone keeps telling me to accept you. Accept your proposal, including my husband's uncle. I don't know. Did you tell anyone about us?
Yeah, I went to him. I just went to ask him if it's a taboo for a man to marry his late friend's wife. Not just your uncle anyway. So many people, including your friend Angelica. But trust me, I am not going to pressure you into accepting to be with me. I will just allow you. I'll be patient. I'll wait for it to come from your heart.
I'll marry you.
What? Are you kidding me or you're serious?
I'm serious. I'll marry you.
Oh. Thank you so much. Come here. Thank you so much.
Wow.
Yes.
This place is beautiful.
Wow.
This place is beautiful, right?
You like it?
Yes, it's nice. Gino, do you like it?
You know you like it, right?
But how? I didn't know you were this rich.
I didn't want to show you my wealth. I hid it from you. Listen, when I traveled, I made a whole lot of money. And baby, I made this money for you. I will make you the queen of this kingdom.
Thank you. Thank you for all you do for us. And I love you.
Oh, I love you too. Alright guys, let me show you to your room.
Okay.
Hey boy, let me show you to your room, okay? Come on.
One day walking. Hey, look at my friend now. My brother. It's so good to see you.
Yeah.
Welcome. Hey, come.
Please, sit.
Hey,
you're welcome. Please.
Thank you. Sit down, my brother.
Oh boy.
Hey, only look at you shining.
Thank you myself.
My brother. No, sit.
Thank you.
Okay, let me run inside and get something for you both.
No problem.
Alright, sure.
Afan, it's so good to see you.
Good to see you.
After so many years.
I don't know where we're running to. Hey, let me tell you something. You know, 3 months after my marriage, my wife told me that she once dated you. But I told her that, look, I and Nedu have been amazing friends. We've been friends from small primary, secondary school.
That's true.
My brother.
See, I've always been afraid to come around, because I always think that you always be thinking that I'm coming to
Nedu, take out that thought from your mind. Nedu, you are my brother now. Besides, I trust my wife. She cannot disappoint me. Eh? Talk less of you that's my brother. You know, we've been through a lot.
Yes,
eh? We've been through a lot, so no, you feel free to come around anytime. Eh?
That's okay.
Hi.
Oh boy. You don't see.
Go on, eh?
Hi. So what's up now? What have you been doing for a living?
You know, I studied architecture.
Okay.
And I tried to apply to these big companies, you know, send my CVs, and despite the fact that I came out with good grades, you know, it's been pretty difficult. But I had to, you know, come up with something, you know, start up a business, and we've been pushing.
As a man now,
Yes.
you can't stand one place.
At all.
Yes, that's good. That's okay. And me, I am also into architecture.
Eh?
Yes.
You don't mean it?
I'm telling you.
Hey, wonderful. That's amazing.
Yeah, I know. You see, I went to live with this my uncle that is very big in the business. So he nurtured me and put me through into the business and gave me some big links.
Ah, that is a good one.
God may have it from there.
Oh, man, it's in my man. Hey. Oh, Papa. It's good to unite with you again.
Yeah,
God has been faithful.
Exactly.
Helen, no. Just wait. He's bringing food and drinks. Oh, good to see you again.
Same here, man.
Good to see you. Hey.
Same here.
Funny. What about the 10 million naira I asked you for?
I've told you over 1 million times. I don't want to talk about this thing again. Where do you expect me to get 10 million naira from?
Calm down now. How much can you afford?
Look, you cannot talk me into giving your brother money. He's my brother-in-law. When I'm ready to give him money, I will give it to him.
You safe. But you've been saying this thing for over 2 years now. I've been asking for this money. What is it now?
Do you have an idea of how much I earn?
Which one is how much you earn?
Look, I don't want to talk about this thing again.
You must talk about it. Where are you going to? Let's talk about it. Go. If you want to go, go. What is it? You're this stingy man. Do you know how much I earn? Come on, 10 million naira. I cannot even cook off. For 2 years, I've been asking you for this money. This kind of man, in fact, I'm just tired. I'm tired. Do you know how much I earn? All the work that you've been working, we work from morning till night, so you cannot even afford. Come on, 10 million naira. Nonsense.
Any love this time?
He said he doesn't have money.
See, you know how to collect money from your husband, but you just don't want to. You just want me to suffer.
No, now. Why would you say such a thing? He doesn't have me. I don't have money. I'm not as, wealthy as my husband. You should understand now. I've tried everything possible to talk to him to give me money, but he said he doesn't have. What do you want me to do?
What I'm asking is for you to give me some money to start my own business. Is it too much or too big for me to ask?
Don't talk like
How
that.
can I be this poor when I have a sister like you?
Don't talk like that now. If I have the money, I'll give it to you now. But right now, I don't have the money. I don't have access to my husband's account. Where are you going to? Samson, are you walking out on me? Samson! Samson, come back here, husband of Delilah, come back! Maggie, this boy, I don't understand. He doesn't just want to understand me that I don't have money. He wants to push me. Eh? Because I love him so much.
Sis, you know it won't cost your husband anything to build us a house. You know that. You can find a way to make him favor us. You know I'm still managing my little business. Your husband can make me a millionaire if he so wants to. Yes.
Samson, you know I cannot force my husband to do anything. You know it.
I'm not saying that you should force him. You can persuade him. Find a way to make him believe you. If he doesn't yield to it, give him trouble. Yes, give him trouble. Make him to do that thing that you want him to do. Because the way I look at him, he can do whatever you want him to do. He looks cool. Yes. You're a woman.
Look, Samson, my husband is a very stubborn man. I have tried everything possible. I have pushed him. I've done everything for him to bring out money, but the man seems to be very stingy. Do you know how much we quarrel in this house? We're always quarreling. I think probably neighbors will be hearing our voices around. We are always quarreling about money. Money. Bring money. He doesn't want to bring money. Bring money. He doesn't want to bring money. I don't know. I'm just sick and tired of this whole marriage thing. What kind of stingy man is he?
Sister, this tale I'm telling you now, if you don't do it, you will regret it. I'm telling you, you are going to regret it. Just do what I asked you to do. I've spoken my own rule.
Hey, my man. See me, you're chilling. Hey, my brother. Money them, my one them. Money is good, my brother. Hey, let's I forget. There's this company that is coming into the country to build some estates. Yes. Have you heard of it?
No.
No.
What about them?
They want to invest into micro building firms. You know, micro firms that are into constructions and the likes.
The show how realistic is this?
Well, I felt it sounded unrealistic. But I had to do my research about one of the real estate, the man that comes into the country to do this investment. And I figured he has done the same thing in 5 African countries. Yes. And he doesn't even invest in big firms, big companies. He invests in, startup micro firms so they can come up. I think it's a good one.
I have interest in this. I will surely know more about this company.
You know anything I hear? You understand now? So the link I must give you one way.
I won't lie for you.
My brother, you know I'm down.
I know what you did.
Oh, no, okay. I'm waiting for you. Hey.
So, you brought your mother into this house. Like I don't understand. What's the meaning of that?
I don't understand. What do you mean?
You don't understand. You told me that she'll be coming in this month and not today.
Sorry, I don't understand.
You don't understand. But you told me she's coming in this month. You didn't tell me that she'll be coming in today.
Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, but she's already here.
She has to go.
What?
Yes. She has to leave this house right now. If you don't want fire.
Are you okay?
No.
Are you okay? Do you realize you're talking about my mother here?
Like, who cares? Who cares? Do you think I care? Besides, you want me to give you prior notice before allowing any of my relatives to come into this house. Now your mother is here without my notice. She has to leave this house immediately before I scatter you into pieces.
Are you mad? Are you normal? Anyway, she's not going anywhere.
Are you serious?
Didn't I tell you that my mother was coming over for her medical checkup and you refused? So your mother is good to come over to this house, then my mother will not come, right?
I told you I was bringing my mother home here. And besides, how will I get two women down into this house?
Oh, Benson, you're playing with fire. Oh. She has to leave this house right now. Oh. She has to go. Hey, if she's not leaving this house, then I will leave. I will leave this house right now. Nonsense.
Would you?
Don't call my name. I'm going to pack my things and leave.
What is this you're doing? You've been acting strangely of late.
Because you keep treating me like a stranger.
Benson, I am your legally wedded wife and not just your social appendage. What is it?
I treat you well. Would you? I mean, I don't treat you bad. And besides, I give you whatever you ask for. Your mother has been in my house for over a year now. What else? What more do you want me to do?
Of course, you only give me what you want to give to me and not what I want. Because yes, you are a stingy man.
But that's because what you ask me is outrageous.
Oh, really?
Yes, you even know how much money I have.
Of course, I should know how much money you have in your account. Are you not my husband? Did you not get married to me? Did you not pay my bride price? Why shouldn't I know? Huh? Stingy goat.
You need to stop walking this
way. Come and hold me. Because you are who now? You are Jagaban. You want to come and stop me. Come and stop me now. Let me... Okay, come on, get that from my side. Stop me. Stop me. What are you doing? Dancing. Dancing, open this door. Open this door now. Dancing. Dancing.
Now, I'm going to Chike's house. I've already called him to inform him that I'm coming to his house.
Mama, why? You just go here now.
Yes, my son. In fact, I don't want to cause problem between you and your wife. I don't want to put any problem in my children's marriages. That's what I've vowed not to do.
But Mama, this is your house now. You cannot leave this house for anybody.
You don't understand. Your wife owns this house more than I do. Yes, I know I'm your mother. But as your wife, I don't want to be here and she will not like it. And I don't want to leave. I'm not going to hold any grudges against her at all. Because I understand. And I want your peace. So let me go. That place will even be better for me than staying where I will not be welcomed. Do you understand?
Mama, look. Mama, this is not a debate. We should not be talking about this, please. Let's not talk about this.
I told you this thing before you got married. That a woman owns the home and the husband. Your life is in the hands of your wife. Nothing on earth should be more important to you than the peace you share with your wife. Please, my son, your happiness is my own happiness. Live in peace with your wife. Biko, let me go and stay with Chike, your brother. You know?
Brother, so you allowed your wife send Mama out of the house?
Mama decided to leave on her own accord.
Come on. You're supporting her right now, right? You're defending her!
Chike, is she not to understand? My wife would have said whatever she needed to say, but I was never in support of it. I even tried convincing Mama to stay back, but she said she wanted to come and stay at yours.
Just listen to yourself. Listen to yourself. Brother, you should be ashamed of yourself. Yes!
Ashamed of what?
Yes, I mean it. Just imagine. Can you listen to yourself? No, listen to yourself. But let me let you know this. You will come back to your right senses when it's time.
Chike, wait, I still not understand. Was it not you? I sent 5 million naira to take care of yourself and Mama's medical bills. And you're spilling this nonsense to me.
No, what you're saying? It's not about money, right? It's all about money. Brother, I'm so disappointed in you.
Don't worry. No problem. What is wrong with this boy?
Hey! Come into this house. Where do you think you are going to? Where do you think you are going to? Huh? Where are you going to, Oga? I'm talking to you. You gave your mother 5 million naira. Eh? But if I ask you for just 1 million naira to give to any of my family members, you will not accept. You will behave as if you just fell from Kilimanjaro. What's your problem? Oga, tell me my place in this house if I am your wife or your side chick. I'm talking to you now. Why are you standing like a vegetable? Am I not talking to you? You this fool, stingy goat. I am talking to you. Answer me. What is my place? Where are you going to? Where are you going to? Eh? I'm not going out. I'm not living here. Look at him. Stingy fool. Anytime I ask you for money, you don't want to give me money. What's your problem? Why do you hate me? I'm talking to you.
Would you get out of my way?
Shut up, you this coward. I'm talking to you. Stop back at me.
Get away.
My lovely children. Why are you people going as if you don't have blood in your body? What is it?
For the past few days, mommy and daddy have been fighting and quarreling. I don't know what's wrong with them.
Hey, they are not quarreling. They are only playing. They are not fighting. They can't fight.
I know when people are fighting and I know when people are playing.
See, your mommy and daddy, they love each other so much. They cannot fight. They were only playing.
Daddy slapped mommy. I saw that with my 2 eyes. The mom started crying.
Hey, my love, I am sorry about that. I will talk to her. I'll make sure nobody slaps her again. All right?
Ever since I saw that, I've been afraid of daddy.
Come. Don't worry about that. I will talk to him. You won't say that again, okay? It's okay. I took your brother inside. Let me finish washing. I'll come and meet you. Okay? I'm so sorry.
Papa.
Follow her. I'm coming. I'll soon be done. Good afternoon, sir.
Mama, good afternoon. Mama, how are you?
I'm very well, sir.
Mama, I've always told you, please stop referring to me as sir. Eh? You're old enough to be my mother. Call me Ben or Benson.
Okay, sir. Oga Benson.
Mama, Benson.
Oh, you don't want Oga?
No, Oga.
Okay, Benson is okay.
Benson.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Oga sorry, Benson.
How dare you step into my house like that? Why would you burn into my house like a criminal? How do you think I'm here to joke with you? Why would you burn into my house like a criminal? How dare you raise your hands on my sister? Wait, what gave you the right to burn into my house? How dare you think I'm here to joke with you? Are you serious? Are you serious? How dare you? Are you okay? Are you okay with you? Hey, just stay out of this. Don't I don't want to punch you. Look, just stay clear out. Leave my house. Stay clear. Leave my house once I'll call the police. I want to deal with this idiot.
He's your in-law.
Stay out of this. Stay out of this.
you know?
I'm okay.
And Chike, you will not believe what happened to me today.
What is it?
You know my wife had to send her brother to come and fight me in my house.
Brother, I don't want to interfere to anything concerning your family. Honestly. Mom have warned me to stay away from your family's problem.
Is that all you have to say?
Yes! That is all I have to say. You're my elder brother. You're more learned than me. You have more experience than me. So sort your family problem without involving me. Please.
Madam, good morning, ma.
What is it?
Madam, you see this constant quarrel and nagging, this fighting with your husband, is beginning to affect the children negatively. See, it's not affecting me. Me, I'm okay with it. But the children, it's not going down well with them.
Are you mad? Grace, wait. What gave you the guts to come and talk to me?
It's because of the children. Yes.
Wait. Can you imagine? No. Are you stupid?
No.
Are you sick?
No, I'm not.
Is your brain blocked?
No. No, my brain is okay.
Can you imagine? Hey! Grace! Wait. Hey! Wait, I'm trying to... Wait. Trouble they sleep. Yanga can wake up. Grace!
It's not like that.
I don't know this house. You want to come and control my house? No, you want to come and control... Your village people have sent to control my house.
Which house? I'm a maid.
Before the count of two, I want you to leave my house right now.
Madam, don't you see
Yes!
the house?
Leave my house.
I don't have any other job anywhere.
Grace! Since you want to take over my house, you have to leave. You have to leave my house! Come on! Get out from my house now! Leave my house! Wait! Come on! Come on, leave my house. My friend, get out! That one! My bag! Which bag? That one! My friend, push this woman out of this house before I show her naked wire. Can you imagine?
You better leave
My friend,
now
leave this
before
place.
you see the naked wire all over your body.
Look at her! Oh, fool!
Over
my bag now.
Come on action.
My bag.
Your what? Bag? Did you come with any bag? Which bag?
I came with bag, that bag bag.
I will carry it for my head.
Can you imagine? My friend, get out! Look, before I give you a... Come and leave my house.
The bag now, I need it. It's not my bag.
Please, ma'am.
Give me the bag. It's my bag. My transport phone is inside.
On action.
You want to come and advise me as a chief advisor? Rubbish. Nonsense. If I ever see you close to my gate again, I will call the police for you. Useless thing, old woman. Your bag. Because you are the one that blew this out. It's yours.
Good day, sir.
Hey, good day, Stacy.
Yeah, sir. I've come to get the files.
I'm so sorry. It's skipped my mind. I will attend to them, then call you to come pick it up, okay?
Okay, sir.
Skip my mind, sorry.
Sir.
Yeah?
Sorry, I was meaning to ask. I've noticed your approach to work these days is not good. It's not fine. Hope all is okay.
Well, it's well, okay? It's just something personal, but thank you for your observation.
Alright, sir. I really can't wait to see you get back to settings because it's really affecting our transactions already.
It's okay. I'll work on it.
Alright, sir.
Thank you very much.
Okay, sir.
I'll call you since I get on with this.
Okay, sir.
Mommy, Dankwa told us that you have sacked Mama Grace.
Yes, I have. But don't worry, I'll get someone who's much younger that can take care of you both.
Mommy, we want Mama Grace back. We still love her.
Ada, you will not tell me what to do. I'll tell you what's good for you.
Mommy, you have changed. You keep quarreling with everyone.
Oh, my goodness. No, I haven't changed. Of course, it's your dad that has changed. Because, he keeps treating me badly, so...
Was that why you changed?
I did not change. Now you both go to your room and read your books right now. Go, 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 go before mommy gets upset. Start going. Start moving. These kids. Mommy, you have changed.
I haven't seen the money you said you sent to me. I've not gotten the alerts. I don't know what's happening, Benson.
What has gotten into you?
I don't understand.
Sometimes you act as if you are under influence or something. What do you really want?
What do I really want? The money I asked you to send into my account. What happened? I've not seen anything. If you keep treating me like this in this house, I will not allow you to breathe. I will so suffocate you.
And you think this is the best way to go about it?
Hey, see trouble, and I think this is the best way to go about it. Can you imagine? Look, Benson, I have been so calm about what you're doing to me in this house, but I will not tolerate it. Since you got married to me for how many years, you have never treated me right. What is it? What's your problem? Why are you stingy?
Do you realize that you're breaking this family?
As it stands, I don't care. I don't give a fuck. Really, I do not give a fuck. It's either I remain a member of this family in peace, or I go elsewhere where I will be valued. Do you understand me?
I pity you. You're allowing bad influence control you. I hope it doesn't lead you to trouble.
Where are you going to? My friend, give me that money. Transfer the money to my account. What nonsense. Stingy thing, fool. Give me the money, Jare.
Don't push me.
I shouldn't push you.
Don't push me.
Beat me if you want to beat me, Benson. Beat me now. Beat me. Since you have chest, you have big chest, you have power. Beat me. If I don't see the money in my account, I will not leave you. Kill me or beat me. Nonsense. Very stingy idiot like you. Think I will leave you alone. Transfer the money to my account now. What is it now? I beg, allow me to sleep, Joe.
Hey, look. Your attitude is no longer good for us, okay? And let's go back to how we started now. This is already affecting us.
And Benson, the way we started is no longer favorable to me. I thought you would change all through the years. But since you have decided not to change, then I will change. Just let me be, please.
Okay, babe, but this is the perfect time for us to talk about this now, Please, now.
I beg, leave me. What is it? Do the needful now. Ha! Now, wow.
This attitude you're putting up is no longer good. It's affecting me, including my business.
Benson. If you don't want to get it hot this night, just allow me to sleep. Benson, leave me. What is it? Okay. Leave me alone now. Shift from my body. What is it? I beg, adjust your balls before I press it. Nonsense. Shift, jaw.
Honestly, I am not surprised that you got the job. All the same, I'm happy for you.
My man, you know for sure that since I've gotten this job, you are also there. Eh? There's no way I would do this job without you. The only difference is that to be in my name, because I was the one that got it. But we'll have fun working together. You know how we do this thing now. Eh?
But just imagine that I got it like you did. The money will be two ways.
Okay. Imagine that none of us got this contract. Eh? We would have lost both ways. It would have been worse. This discussion wouldn't be valid. We would have been pumping each other, telling ourselves sorry. Eh?
You're right.
But one at hand is better. Eh?
That's true. But you get something for this your head though.
Hey! Stop worrying yourself, eh? Besides, bigger contract on that way. Nothing at all.
You're right. It's your head too.
Okay. So smile. Brother, we have it now. That is why we are there. So what else?
Okay, good morning, sir.
Mama.
Sir?
Mama, I've told you not to refer to me as sir or Oga. Mama?
Sir, you know I wasn't expecting to see you this morning. It happened suddenly. Welcome, sir.
Thank you. Mama, the kids, they miss you. I want you to come back to the house.
Sir, you know it's not possible. She doesn't want me in the house.
I'll pay you 100,000 naira per month.
Is it?
100,000 naira, 100.
That's double of what you used to pay me before.
Exactly.
More than a double. Okay. I accept, sir.
No problem, Mama. But this time, Mama, I want you to pay close attention to my wife.
And you two, you have to avoid her. You have to avoid everything that will make you poor quarrel before those children will turn into monsters.
I already have that in plan. I'm doing everything possible to avoid that woman. Okay? But please, I'll be out for a while. I need you to take care of my kids.
Okay.
Yes, I'll reach them through your phone if possible.
You know, that won't be a good idea. You have to come from time to time to see your children. Because they need you.
I understand, but I need to go. I'm losing my sanity already. I need to go. It's affecting me, my business, and otherwise. Okay? Mama, don't worry. I'll handle it. Please, come in.
Let's go.
Yes, come in.
Work has started already.
Yes, Mama, come in.
Hey!
Look at you. See, Mama is there.
Mama Grace. Fine.
How are you? Are you for eating?
Yes.
Boy, oh boy.
Where's the mom?
Okay,
She's inside. Mama Grace, I missed you.
And I missed you more.
Hey! Where are you going to? Huh? Where are you going to, Benson?
Where I'm going to doesn't concern you. The money you asked for, I've already given it to you. What more do you want?
Of course, where you're going to concerns me. I need to know where you are going to because I am the owner of your life. Yes! Where are you going to, Oga?
You do not own my life, woman. And look, let me tell you something. Sooner or later, you would regret your actions. Trust me.
Trust you. Trust you. Woo! Look at it, woman rapper. You want to run away from your responsibilities, right? Look at him. You cannot. Hey, I pity for you. Brother, if you don't want to run, where are you going to? Where are you going to? My friend, come back. Look at, even if you go, you will still come back to this house. Even if you go, you will come back to this house, Benson. Stingy man. You cannot take care of your responsibility. You're always running away. If I ask for money, you will run. If I ask for money, you will run. Every time. Always running. Always running. Rubbish. You will come and meet me in this house. I'm not fear.
I heard what's happened to you. I'm sorry. I hope you did not sustain any injury.
Benson, honestly speaking, I'm tired of you. I'm tired. Please, just don't come here to look for me or ask me anything. Because your behavior is so strange.
Has he gotten to this?
Yes! It has gotten more than this. Honestly. I don't just understand you. You allow your wife to become the husband of the house, and you're the wife. I don't understand you. Honestly speaking, you don't even behave like my blood at all. It's just you're not my brother. You're not.
You've always said the same thing all the time. I mean, I thought we lived as one family. Eh? Must you remind me that I'm adopted?
Why would I? No, tell me. You allow your wife to assault me. Treat my mother like a rag. Treat our member of our family like we are nobody. And you're here saying trash. Honestly speaking, you're not my brother. In short, go and continue being a slave to your wife and leave me alone. Let me do my work in peace. Please. Please. You keep allowing your wife to use you like a slave. Eh? And you call yourself the man of the house. You're the woman of the house. Just go.
All my life, they've always told me I'm not their brother. Everything they have become today, I have contributed to it one way or the other, yet they still see me as an orphan. But come to think of it, am I not old enough to have gone to look for my true family? I think this is a wake-up call. It's time to trace my roots. I need to talk to Mama. It's time for her to tell me where she picked me from.
I welcomed her in this family with peace. But I found out that she hated peace.
And I'm ready to give her the trailer of trouble she's sick for. I'm ready to give it to her.
Mama, please calm down. Let's find Mr. Benson first.
If she didn't find my son before this week runs out, she will regret the day she stepped her feet in this compound. In fact, if she sees me anywhere, she will run away for what I will do to her.
Mama, the last time you saw Mr. Benson, what did he say to you?
He told me that the woman he kept in the house as a wife wanted to destroy him. Before she destroys my son, she will be ready to kill all of us. Else, her name will be sorry.
Is there any other thing he said to you?
I never thought of this before now.
What is it?
He said he wants to go and find his real family.
His real family? I don't understand.
I'm not his biological mother. My dear, I was unable to bear a child until a woman gave him to me. His presence in my home opened my womb. I then have 3 more children after him. That was what happened.
Then we have to trace the family. He might be there.
My dear, I don't even know the family. I only told him where I adopted him and how he came into my life.
Mama, just tell us what you told him. It will help us to find him.
My daughter, I'm not a spirit. I wouldn't know. This thing I told you is how it happened. I don't know any other thing. Am I supposed to forge something and say?
Huh. This is serious.
Nice, right? What?
No. No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry.
What is wrong with you? What is it? We are getting married in few weeks, and yet you find it so hard to flow with me. What is it?
I'm sorry.
No, just tell me, what do you want me to do so that you feel so relaxed with me?
I'm sorry. It's just that I need a little bit of time.
But that is what you keep telling me. You've been here for some weeks now, and you keep wanting some time. Come on.
Well, I want you to understand. I'm trying my best, honestly. Please just understand. Please.
I really don't understand you. I don't understand you at all.
Tali, Chinedu told me you don't allow him to touch you. What is the problem?
Honestly, I don't know what's wrong with me. It seems I'm still stuck in my past. I can't seem to move on from it.
Helen, how long will it take you to move on? I mean, you want to deprive yourself of this beautiful life God has placed in front of you.
I know, but it feels like I'm forcing myself to heal. I need time. I need time to heal. I need time to process all of this. It just feels like I'm cheating on my husband.
Are you serious? Your husband is dead and buried. He has been laid to rest. You were the one that poured sand into his grave. Don't you remember? I need you to move on. Move on and be happy.
See, I understand I can't mourn him forever. But I sincerely need time to move past all of this. I need to be able to breathe,
It's okay. I understand. Okay? But I just need you to take out time and explain to Chinedu. Trust me, he will understand.
I've been trying, but he doesn't seem to understand.
I know, he will. Talk to him, he will understand. Okay? Don't worry. You'll be fine. I know.
Thank you.
Please, God, please. Please, God, we beg you. Honey. Sweetheart, you are awake. Oh my goodness, you've woken up. Take it easy. Honey.
What am I doing here? Please, where's the doctor? Who are you?
Honey, it's me, Uju. Your wife, your legally wedded wife. It's me, look at me, it's Uju. It's me. Honey, I hope you've not lost your memory. Look at me very well. Take a good look at me. I am your wife. This is Uju.
Please, where's the doctor? Please give me the doctor, please.
What's happening? Doctor!
Where am I?
I think... Doctor!
So babe, what do you think about our marriage plans?
Well, I feel I really do not want a loud wedding. You know, yourself and Murphy are from the same village, so.
Yeah. I think you have a point there. So, can we just have a court wedding?
That'll be better, yes.
Okay. What about having it next week?
That's soon. It's soon. Wow.
Of course, it should be like that because you said you don't want it loud. There is no point keeping it for a long time. Listen, baby. I just can't wait to be your husband.
Yes, I can't wait to be your wife.
I know.
It's okay. Mama. It's okay. We found him. He said he was kidnapped and locked up.
Thank God we found him. This one you're shedding, is it crocodile tears or tears? Because I did not see tears, rather crocodile tears. Eh? The more you look, the less you see. Why are you crying? Toxic woman, why are you crying? Huh? I hope my son was not injured.
Mama, he's fine. He's fine.
Okay.
Just that from my observation, I noticed he has memory loss.
Oh no! My own son, memory loss. And you have your own memory. God will punish you. Oh! And I'm small. My own son, memory loss.
Yes.
So, you have finally destroyed my son. You have finally destroyed my own son. Huh? You have nagged and nagged to the extent my son touches you to give him pekus. You will not give him. Idiot. The pekus he paid for. You will deny my son pekus. If God don't punish you, you know that I'm not the mother. Idiot. Look at your mouth. He has you see, if my son has memory loss, you will pick dustbin in the market square. Yes, you will go mad. If you don't go mad, you know that I'm not his mother. My son cannot have memory loss and you will go with your own memory. Your own will be bastardized. Idiot. Does he have memory loss when he got married to you? You kept nagging and nagging and nagging until you nag him into memory loss. You will suffer. If you don't suffer, let's go.
It's okay. Mama, easy now.
Just thank your star that we find you.
Hello? Who is this?
He's dead now. Please, can you people just allow me? Can you stop asking me questions about him? I just want to have peace. Please, leave me alone.
I've told you several times to change that SIM card, but you wouldn't listen. And you get these calls on a daily.
I'm sorry.
They end up changing your mood.
Sorry. You can have the phone. I don't need it anymore. I just want to have my peace. I just want to have my life back. I want to have my sanity back.
It's okay.
Doctor, something strange is happening here. Doctor, I'm not Benson. My name is Murphy.
Honestly, if I tell you that I'm not confused here, then I will be a lie. I've obviously run checks on you and I see that you're okay. But the most confusing part of all this is that you're saying things that are different from your reality.
Doctor, what I'm saying is my reality. I'm Murphy. I have a wife. My wife's name is Helen. I have a son. He's Murphy Jr. Doctor, these people coming here to call me dad, know my kids. I've not seen them from anywhere. I'm aware of what I'm saying.
Benson, I know your family. Oh my God, this is confusing.
Okay, doctor, if you seem not to believe me, I have my wife's number. I could give you a number so you can call her.
Your wife is Uju?
No, my wife is Helen.
Helen?
Yes, I will give you a number you can call.
Okay.
Yes, that's her number.
You mean if I call this number, your wife?
Yeah, that's Helen's number.
This is serious. The number is not connecting. Maybe I'll keep trying it. Maybe Pink.
You again? Eh? What is it again? What is it? I told you I don't want to see you again!
Please, I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
I thank God he's alive, but I don't want to have anything to do with him or associate with him or you. Just get out!
Dikeh, please, just forgive me. Dikeh, wait, please. Please find a place in your heart to forgive me, please. Even if it's not for my sake, but for the sake of the kids, please.
I don't care. I don't care! Just get out from this place. I don't want to have anything to do with you or him. Just leave me alone. Let me do my work.
Please, he has lost his memory. He can't even remember anyone, please. I don't care. Please, I'm begging you.
I don't care. Just get out from this place. I don't want to see you.
No, he's your brother. Please, Dikeh, no.
I will break your head.
Wait.
Get out of this place.
That's your brother.
I don't care. I don't have anything to do with him or you. Just get out from this place. I will commit murder here.
Please,
I will.
Please help me. Please don't go.
Just get out from this place.
I'm begging you.
This is problem. Eh? I don't have to have anything to do with you or him. Get out from this place. Tell me my brother. I don't know him. The next time I see you again, I will break your head. Stop disturbing me.
How are you doing today?
I'm fine.
The number you gave me the other day is not connecting.
Doc, if that's the case, I would write you my house address. Yes.
Your house? You mean you have another house?
Doctor, I mean where I live.
This is funny, man. Okay, let me get a pen and a paper. I'll be right back.
Doctor, I think I'm perfectly okay. I feel like I'm good now.
There's something I need to show. Take a look at this. Take a look at this. Is that not you? Doctor,
Doctor, this person's face looks like mine, but I can't swear this is not me. This is not me.
Doctor, I think something is wrong with my husband. Something is wrong with him, doctor.
Madam.
I think you have to check him. Something is wrong with my husband.
I'm okay, madam. Look, I acknowledge the fact that you brought me to the hospital.
Madam?
I'm sorry, I don't know you.
Jesus Christ! Doctor! Doctor, can you hear him? He said he doesn't know me.
This is confusing, I must say. The person I sent to the address you gave to me the other day came back and said that there's no one living in the compound.
How? Where's my wife and child? Doctor, please, doctor, just discharge me, okay? Let me go in search of my family. Please, I beg you. I'm tired of all this drama.
Okay. See, I will discharge you. But I suggest you go with these people. Go and settle things amicably with them. Okay? Okay.
Oh na na na, hey, so much confusion. It's like I don't know what is going on. Can somebody tell me?
So you guys are only greeting your dad, you don't come and greet me, Abby? Let's go inside now. So what's happening now? What have you guys been doing? Oh, honey, welcome home.
Make me to reality. I can't believe myself. This is happening to me. It is like a movie.
Did you observe something?
Yes, that man is not our Oga. He's really strange.
Wow. Mama, I don't get brain. We are not observing the same thing. Yeah.
Bukuru, what did you observe?
Huh? We are observing something. If you get eye, you will get eye. They're blind.
Hey, tell me what you were observing.
I am observing this is our Oga. We are not observing the same thing.
Wow, sir.
It won't be. Madam won't be. Instead for you to go inside there and start cooking. Observe.
Quiet.
Go and cook.
I will slap
you. Since our Oga come out, he dey hungry. No see, he don't live. Go and cook food for him. Mama Grace, get brain, no go get brain. Go and cook for our Oga to chop. Eh? Observe something. No get eye.
Mama Grace, our daddy now looks different.
Yes, his voice has changed and he's acting as if he doesn't know us.
I equally noticed that. His mannerism, his attributes, they have all changed. But don't worry about it. Everything will be fine.
Mama Grace, where is our father?
Bobo, don't worry about it. I'll get to the root of all this. I'll find out where your daddy is. Alright?
Yes.
Take him inside. You two, you're asking too many questions. Be mature a bit. Go give him his biscuits. Quickly. Open it hard. Sorry. Oh, be careful. Everything about him has changed. His mannerism, his disposition, his attributes, everything. I don't know what happened, but everything will be fine. We'll get to the root of this whole issue. I'm so scared.
Sweetheart, you haven't changed into your nightwear. There are lots of nightwears in the wardrobe, so you need to change now.
I'm okay like this. I'm okay. I don't want to touch the clothes there.
What do you mean you're okay?
I'm okay.
Is there anything you want?
No. I don't want anything. I'm fine. Yes, I'm fine.
What's it now? Come on. Look, feel me. Just look down, feel. Look at something. See something here.
I'm okay.
Touch me now. Please. It's been long ago. See, look at my breast. You can come and suck it. It's been long that you sucked this breast.
I'm
Come on, feel me. Just touch me small.
I'm okay.
Baby, I'm already dripping. I'm dripping. Touch me,
Hey.
please. See now, I'm dripping. I'm
Let
dripping.
me just...
Oh na na na, yeah. Hey, so much confusion. It's like I don't know what is going on. Can somebody tell me? Cause I don't understand. No, I am so confused. I don't know what to do. Someone wake me. Maybe I am dreaming. Hey, or maybe shake me. Maybe I will just wake up to reality. Shake me. Am I dreaming? Oh, I beg you, wake me.
This is my house.
Your house?
Yes.
I don't understand. What do you mean by your house?
This is my father's compound. This is where my wife and son lives.
But I don't get it. The place looks very deserted. Like, it looks weird. Like, I don't get it. What are you doing? Are you serious? This is break and entry. Don't do that! Stop it! See, you might get arrested for this. You know that.
Why would they arrest me? I just told you this is my house.
This looks very... It's dirty and your house. Ew.
Let's go in.
No, I can't go in. I don't want to be arrested, please.
Okay, wait here.
Are you okay?
These are my wedding pictures. See?
Oh my God!
These are even my pictures.
Does it mean you're not Benson?
I'm not Benson, I'm Murphy.
No, this can't be true. Like, seriously, this...
Ghost! Ghost, eh?
Who are you? Ghost?
Hey!
Ghost, how?
Ghost too!
Ghost too! No, don't mind him. Look, I'm sure he's drunk. I'm sure he's drunk. Okay, you know what? Just hold on. Let me get my birth certificate. Just hold on.
I think I'm confused right now.
Who's chasing after you?
I saw Murphy. I saw a ghost.
Which one is you saw Murphy? You saw a ghost. What are you talking about?
I'm telling you that I saw this man. I saw him there. Eh?
Murphy, my friend's husband.
Yes, now.
The one I witnessed his burial. Well, Murphy is dead. Wait. Are you sure you are okay? You better stop saying this thing because when people hear you now, they will think you're mad. Just stop it.
I'm telling you something. I'm telling you something, and you're taking temperature. I'm telling you something that I saw these people there. I saw Murphy there. You're taking temperature.
Nah, I don't know you to be a smoker. If not, I would have said that you are taking something.
Ah.
Well, you saw Murphy. The late Murphy.
Yes, I saw him there. Eh? If you think I'm lying, go there. If you don't see him, call me a bastard. Call me a madman.
No, if you are sure of what you are saying, take me to him. Let me go and see.
No, me, I'm not taking you there. Oh. If you want to go and confirm, go there by yourself. Go there and see it for yourself. I'm not going. I'm not going with you. Man, I get you. I'm not there with you.
Yeah, come.
Bye. You can just go there and confirm.
It's not Murphy. How can it be Murphy? Let me go and check for myself. Let me go and check. Don't think of Murphy. It's very scary. Hey! Madam. Please, who are you? What are you doing here? And why is the gate open?
My name is Uju.
Uju from where? Yeah, why is the gate open? I'm sorry.
Hey, Monica. Yes, where's my wife? Monica! Monica!
What is...
Let me get what...
Is she okay? Are you sure you're okay? Hello? Hello? Oh God, thank God you're here. Thank God.
What is it?
Okay, I don't know. Over the phone? I don't know what they say happened to Angelica. Someone spoke to me over the phone and said that his name is Murphy. I don't know, but please, you need to take me home right now.
You want to go alone?
That's why I called you, so you could come take me home. Let's just go.
It's okay, calm down. Where is Junior?
Oh, Junior, he's upstairs, he's sleeping. Amaka! No, please take care of Junior, okay? Yes, we'll be right back. And make sure you keep the house clean. Hold on, switch off the lights, please. Somebody help! What's going on here? I'm confused. Hello?
Monica, wake up now, wake up! Monica!
Murphy, please don't come near me. Don't come near me. You're a ghost.
I'm not a ghost. I'm not a ghost now.
No, you are dead.
I'm not dead. Look at me. This is me now.
You are dead. It was at that junction. You were shot dead. I saw your lifeless body. In fact, I attended your burial. Don't come close to me. What has happened? It has happened. Let's go.
Wait. What is it? What happened?
Helen, stop asking questions. What my eyes have seen this morning, my mouth cannot say it though. I can't say it. You just have to follow me. Let's go.
Wait, my heart is beating fast. Just tell me what has happened.
Helen, stop asking questions. Let's go, please. But
wait.
Let's go. Helen, let's go.
What is
it? Murphy, that is your grave.
What?
Yes, you were buried there.
God forbid.
Buried!
was not shot. I was only kidnapped by ritualists. Yes. And they took me there and the priest ordered them to take me away. I was not the person that... What are you talking about now? This is me, flesh and blood.
Oh my God! Sophie, don't tell me that now. I know what I attended your burial. What are you saying?
Burial? Yes. Oh my God! What burial? I hope it's not my Bessie. You people buried there.
He said he wanted to see his family.
Oh my God! I hope the killer did not mistake him for someone else. Bessie! Bessie! No! No! It can't be! Wow! Bessie!
Who is Benson?
I think Benson is her husband.
It can't be my husband! My husband!
Benson! So what? Are you twins?
I don't know. I mean...
Onyekwa, come in.
Where is Ujunwa?
She went out with a man. The man wants to clear his doubts. So they went out together. I don't know what that means.
I went to make some spiritual consultation and I found out that the man is not my son, rather my son's twin brother. My son has been dead and buried.
I thought you said a woman gave him to you.
Yes, he was a twin. I just knew it now.
Wait a minute. This is the most confusing story I've ever heard. I overheard you telling somebody that a woman adopted 2 sons and gave you 1. Does that mean the woman found twins?
That is the reality here. The man Bella and Uju rescued was not my son, rather his twin brother. I need to see Uju now.
What is going on? What am I supposed to understand in all this? What am I supposed to do? Hi. Good day.
Good day, Mama.
What is this plastic people are eating? Are you hungry or what? Eh? Why are you eating this?
Plastic sweets.
I'll go to the fridge and take some sweets there. Alright?
Okay.
Give to your brother as well. I don't even know what to do. I'm so confused. I don't know where to go from here, what to do. I don't know. Ah.
Benzie.
Sorry.
Benzie. What am I going to tell them?
It's okay.
It's me now, Nidu. Look at me now. Come and feel me. I'm alive.
What did my husband do? You people buried my husband. Oh God.
My love, it's me.
What did my husband do?
I'm not dead.
You people buried my husband. You're alive.
Yes.
You are alive.
Yes. It's me.
You mean?
Nidu, it's me.
Oh my God! Oh my God! You're alive! You're alive! It's okay. I'm not. I'll have to go so I can tell my people what's going on.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, okay?
Sorry,
I'm sorry. Look,
This can't
we'll definitely get to the root of this. I was kidnapped. I was kidnapped and I'm here, okay? I'm here.
Whoever that killed this dancing must have mistaken him to be you. I am sure.
How can you be sure? Oh, I don't know what happened, but sincerely, I don't care. My husband is back. That's what counts.
I've never been this confused all my life.
Where's my son?
Junior,
They are in my house.
Yes.
I had to take them in when we found out that you're dead.
Yes.
I have to see him, okay?
Yes.
I have to see him.
Of course.
Oh, Benson! Benson, you need to see where they buried my husband! Ah! Benson! Where is Benson? Mama!
Mama, please. Mama, please. Wicked woman. Don't please me. If you please me now, it's shabla. Look at your mouth. In a Benson. Oh, I wish I could kill you. So you have succeeded in destroying my son. Okay. That if you touch me, I will change your color to black.
She's going through a lot
Just leave
now,
me alone.
please, Mama.
She's a very wicked woman. Let me tell you what. You don't know her. She might be your friend. You don't know what this woman did. Hey, Benson, Wab. After all these years, I told you, Benson. I told you not to marry this witch. Hey, this woman is a witch. She is wicked. She is a narcissist. She is so naive. There is no bad thing that she does not do. She is wicked. Benson for one day did not enjoy marriage with this bastard. If this girl has this woman you are seeing here, she is yellow, but her heart is dark. What did my son do to this woman? That all he did was to kill my son, was to knock my son to death. I suffered in there. I suffered with my entire body, all my labor, to train Benson, to make sure that Benson is a man. A man he is till death. It was only when he met this woman that this woman changed my son, made my son to hate his family. He also made my son not to know me. Oh mother, until now that I sent my daughter to any grave. What more will I say? What more will I say? Why don't that devil take your life and leave my son for me? Why can't devil take your own life? Send you to the grave and bring out my son.
Mama, good day. Mama. This house is slowly turning into a house of confusion. I don't know who actually died as it stands now, Mama.
Our guy is dead.
Huh? Jesus. Mama, you mean he died after he was found, or he was found after his death?
Dankwa,
That is my name.
I beg you in God's name, carry your confused head to your duty post and leave me alone. You can see I'm not in a good mood. Not in a very good mood this time. Just leave me alone.
Mama, don't be offended. Wait, you. Don't be angry, Mama. When Oga was living here this morning with Madame, he was so healthy and sound, Gidigba.
That wasn't our Oga.
Huh?
That was his twin brother.
Jesus. But Mama, I heard them say they have found Oga. Now I'm hearing that he died some days ago. But I saw the Oga this morning. I'm hearing that the person I see this morning was another person, not our Oga. It's like a Dankwa friend on one blow. Hey, my head the board now, Mama.
Dankwa.
Mama.
Carry your burning head with your confused head to your duty post and leave me alone. Leave me alone. What is it?
Mama, I swear. Dankwa swear. You see this job I'm doing here now is playing with my mental health like Lido. You hear me? Mama, you hear me? Food, eh?
If I slap this idiot.
Someone so important in this whole wide world as the one that has taken from me.
All this thing looks like a movie to me. Man, I cannot believe that you're still alive.
God heard my cry, and he turned what would have been a misfortune into a big blessing.
My brother, is now I understand that saying that all things work out for good for those that love God. I never even believed I was going to be kidnapped one day. But if I wasn't kidnapped, at least by now I would have been shot dead.
I'm still confused. Were you kidnapped in the village or in Enugu?
I got into a car headed for Enugu. I was even happy. We're not much in the car. You know now, all these people can just squeeze people inside a car. I was happy, seated comfortably. We're cruising. Not knowing I was cruising into the lion's den. I knew it. We found ourselves inside a lonely place. So my mouth and my eyes was tied up. I wasn't even only the person kidnapped. There were people there, just like sheep, ready to be slaughtered. Jesus. For sacrifice. And God being faithful, I heard a male voice telling them to send him away. They don't sacrifice twins here. No more twin.
Twin.
I'm telling you, that's how they let me go.
So that's why they released you?
I'm telling you.
Thank God. God is actually faithful. So that's why they let you go.
That is the reason, my dear.
God is indeed faithful.
Yes.
This thing cannot stop sounding like a movie to me. How could I have known that you are twin? I've known you since childhood now.
My brother. Ijuan Kojoni. I don't know. I never even knew about this.
And I got married to her.
I don't understand what's going on.
anniversary. We had court wedding last week.
You do clean your mouth. You see, Guinea? You said what?
I thought you were dead.
You thought Guinea? You thought what?
In my defense, I thought you were dead. I had seen you there. The thing is,
Wait. You could not even mourn me for just 1 year.
No, it's not.
And you came to my house and you told me that you did not come for her. You did not see me within a blink of an eye. You've rushed to my woman.
I was among the people that put your body into that.
And so?
I covered it.
And so?
How could I have known that you're still alive? I don't know now.
Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't do it on purpose, please. I'm sorry. Please. Please. Please.
Hey!
Please.
Officer, this is the man.
Which man? Do I know you? Have we met before?
Okay, you can't deny this. Okay, you know me. You can't deny me. You can't deny this. See, I've seen the man.
I want this man down. You see this man? I want you to kill him for me.
Yeah. Okay, let that happen. I hear you.
Sure, you can recognize the face very well.
I've seen the face.
I will send it to your WhatsApp.
Nothing that happened.
This fool has taken everything away from me. If I leave this fool, the whole good job that comes my way, he takes it. If I even leave him, he will take my life and add to his.
Oziga, easy. I have seen him. If I see Bagam for my account, I will give him. I will dash on 2 granules. Nothing that happened. I feel long now. That's not it.
Money is not the problem.
Yeah.
Later, send me your account number. I will fix your account. I'll put the money in your account so that you take care of this one for me.
Nothing that happened.
So later I'll send you the picture to your phone.
Yeah.
To your WhatsApp. Please.
Mr. Man, for your own advice, I advise you remain silent. For whatever you say will be used against you in the court of law. One more thing. You have to cooperate with us to avoid force. Officer, move in. Move it. Let's go.
Officer, there is a way you
I said move it. I said move it.
Let us
Hey! Move. Face up. Move it.
Officer, calm down.
Will you move? Hey, come on. Move it.
So much confusion. It's like I don't know what is.
Mama Grace here came to me with some specimen for a DNA test. And she said the specimen belongs to Ada and Kene. So after running the test, I discovered that Mama here is related to Ada and Kene.
What? How come? That's not possible. She's just our maid. Like, how?
You see, the other day she came to me and told me her story. She also told me about her suspicions. So I ran a test on some specimen of Murphy that were still under my custody. And I discovered that Murphy here is also related to Ada and Kene.
Oh my goodness.
Yes. And that means Murphy here and Benson are twin brothers. And Madam Grace here is their mother.
Hey.
coming. My 2 boys were taken from me at gunpoint. My husband died when he heard the news. And my life nosedived into misery, into pain. I'm so happy. And Monday I will see you again. I've missed you so much. I've missed you. This is my husband's document. His company and land documents are in here. I'll take you to his family lawyer. I believe there are lots of things you get from him. You can have it. Please. Here.
I don't think these are supposed to be yours.
No, just have it. Please. No. Please have it, please. God.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Look, I promise to take care of every single thing in here. Okay, I promise to uphold the family name. Thank you.
It's fine. It's fine.
Madam Grace, I told my children all that happened. They say they want to see you.
Don't worry about it. Very soon I'll go to the village and see them. Thank you so much for everything.
You're welcome. And this one here, what happens to her?
Mama, she stays. Yes, I mean, I will do everything possible to take care of her.
If I were to be in charge, I swear, I would have suffered her. She would have received pepper from me.
Grandma, unfortunately, you are not in charge. She's part of the family.
Yes.
She has children for the family.
Mama, this is my brother's wife, okay? And my brother's wife is also my wife. Hey, you'll be fine, okay? I will make sure everything is in order for you. Okay.
This is the most beautiful moment of my life. And I'm so thankful to God that I am alive to witness this wonderful day. Don't worry. You have children for us. You're part of us. And I'm forgiving you for everything. Sorry for... Grandma. He will come to the village to take over his father's properties. The little house, our small bungalow there, the parcel of land here and there. Naira.
Guess what just happened?
What happened?
Listen.
What happened?
Chinedu has just been sentenced to death. Yes, they said he was involved in so many atrocities. Like, he caused the death of so many people. He was into money laundering. He's a really bad person.
You know, it baffles me how people move from being good to becoming evil the next minute. I mean, Chinedu was my best friend.
I know. Well, that's not all. I was also told that everything he owned now belongs to me because, you know, I married him legally.
The job and the woman he attempted to kill are all mine. What a life. Honey, I don't need his properties. Mm-hmm.
Wait, even the house?
Yes, even the house. You'd have to send it back to his family, okay? I will only take the job because, you know, he used my company name to take it and perhaps maybe finance it from part of his account, but the remaining things, send them back to the family or charity.
Then we'll come back to live here, right?
Hey, let me tell you something. You don't know how rich your husband is.
Seriously?
Yeah, in due time you will know. God has blessed us.
Of course, he has blessed me. What's you to me?
Come here. I love you.
I love you more.
It's fine. It's fine, okay?
Where's Julia?
I don't know if you're going to.
Oh na na na, yeah. Hey, so much confusion. It's like I don't know what is going on. Can somebody tell me? Cause I don't understand. Oh, I am so confused. I don't know what to do. Someone wake me, wake me, wake me. Maybe I am dreaming. Or maybe shake me, shake me, shake me. Maybe I will just wake up to reality. Shake me, shake me, shake me. Am I dreaming? Oh, I beg you, wake me, wake me, wake me. Wake me to reality. I can't believe myself. This is happening to me. It is like a movie, but I am the one that is acting. It's like my memories are playing a prank.